Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SurferSEO for affiliate content briefs and outlines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with SurferSEO for affiliate content briefs and outlines, first, log into your SurferSEO account. Once logged in, navigate to the Content Planner section from the dashboard. Click on Create New Content Plan to begin configuring your project. Input your primary keyword related to the affiliate product or service you are promoting. Select the location if your target audience is region-specific. Click on the Create Plan button to generate keyword suggestions. Review the suggested keywords and phrases that are relevant to your primary keyword. Choose the keywords that align with your affiliate content goals and add them to your content plan. Next, go to the Editor section in SurferSEO. Input your primary keyword again in the editor's designated field. SurferSEO will analyze the top ranking pages and generate an overview of the content requirements. Observe the Outline section, where SurferSEO provides suggested headings and subheadings based on competitor analysis. Begin structuring your outline by incorporating those suggested headings. You can adjust the headings to better fit your voice and the specifics of your affiliate product. Make sure to include a section for your affiliate links in the outline. Use the Content Score feature to monitor how well your outline matches with top-ranking articles. Adjust your outline based on the feedback from the Content Score. Once your outline looks solid, save it for future reference. Next, start drafting your content based on the structured outline. For each section, focus on delivering value while integrating your affiliate links naturally. Regularly refer back to SurferSEO's suggestions to ensure that your content remains optimized. Finally, after completing your content draft, utilize the SurferSEO audit tool to refine your article before publishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.